Good morning. It is 7:15. I'm headed to a lake, or some lakes that I've never fished before. I didn't go through all the trouble bringing my kayak. They have boat rentals for $10 supposedly, so we're gonna try to rent a little giant boat and see if we can figure this lake out and get after some fish. So see y'all there. Looks pretty juicy. So I've been out here for probably a couple hours now. Had a couple bites, ain't been able to land anything. Been throwing a bandito bug. Just switched it up to a lunker log. It's windy as all get out. That's why I'm back here in this little pocket. Don't really know where I'm at, what I'm doing. Just trying some stuff out. Throwing some top water. Nothing. Only thing I've gotten hit on is a bandito bug. Dang, sun's starting to cook my ass. Well, we had to change of plans. Getting blown all over the damn place. So I said, screw it. Came to do some creek fishing. I think we may do a little exploring. I haven't left this little hole here. I haven't really seen what there is to see on downstream in a long time, or upstream. When I was a kid, I used to run all up and down this creek. Knew where all the holes were, but there's been so many floods and everything else. We used to jump off that bridge when I was a kid, but the water's changed so much. The deepest part of it now is probably 4 feet, 5 feet. So I'd like to do a little exploring and just see if there's any new holes, any good spots on further down. So I'm gonna fish here a bit and we'll head on down here in a little bit. That's my finger. All right, live bait in the creek. Man, that smallmouth ran from it. I ain't freaking poked my dang finger. The last fish I caught stuck me right under the fingernail. That didn't feel good. Let's come on down this way. I'm gonna give her a toss right on the other side of that pillar. Well, I didn't go quite as planned, but So even with live bait, the way I hook them through both their lips from the bottom to the top. That way they stay upright. And if you're trying to attract some fish, if you just twitch your rod tip, it'll flash their bellies and get the fish's attention. Oh yeah, that's a big one right there. He's hiding. A couple of them chasing it. And it's flowed around it. So yeah, that's one problem with live bait. You can't make them sink where you want them to sink. That's a good spot right there. That should get freaking nailed right out there. Oh, something's after it. Felt him jerk. Seems like he's trying to run away. Oh, yeah, he's got a chaser. About to get ate. Oh, he smoked it. He smoked it. Get out here in the light so you see. Holy crap. Frickin' smoked it. Oh, this is a nice one. Damn, he threw my bait. Hell, I'd like to, I'm gonna get a weight on this one just to see, just for reference. I think he's gonna go about 2-3, maybe. I think he's gonna be a little over 2 pounds. All right, I'm reading all zeros. Good bite on his lip. 2-2. I don't know if you can see that. 2-1, 2-2. Sweet. All right, let's get another minnow because he flung the one I was using. Good Lord, that's a big one in there. Let's see if we can get one that's a little smaller. Ah, come here. All right. Oh yeah, my rod's still down there. For a second, I thought I left it down there. And like I said, I just hooked these guys through. Oh shit, hold on. Just hooked these guys right through the bottom lip, through the top lip. No weight, no bobber. These fish in these super clear waters, they're finicky about everything, so don't want to tie on anything that looks unusual to them. And we're back fishing. I got freaking mud on my shirt. I got something. Oh, a little red eye. Ooh. That freaking barb got his gill. He'll live. Pretty fish. I'll stick his daggum hook back to his head and toss him back out there. I just got these guys dangling on a 1/0 worm hook. I'm actually surprised at that red eye. I bit that giant freaking minnow. It's one of them gar jumping out of the water. I guess they're eating bugs or something. I have no clue. It's whatever looks tasty, I guess, on top of the water. Been trying to catch that joker for days now.